Good afternoon, class. I welcome you all back to your geography class for the chapter India, Size and Location. Today, we will be touching on one of the topics with the help of an interesting activity. So let's have a look. In this chapter, we will be talking today about India and its neighboring countries, and we will be doing with the help of an activity. So here we can see the mainland of India is touching its land boundary with a number of countries. If I begin with northwestern part of India, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the northern part of India, as you can see, Nepal, Bhutan, while in the east we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. In the southern part of India, we have two island neighboring countries in the western part and the eastern. In the southwestern part, we have the islands of Maldives, while in the southeastern part, we have Sri Lanka. So how are we supposed to learn this? Today, we will see that. Okay, students. So what do we see here? Yes, Pac-Man. Pac-Man is a video game. It's one of the most popular video games which is quite familiar with all age groups. So how is this Pac-Man going to help us today? Let's have a look. Say if we are seeing that a girl is playing Pac-Man. So can we say Miss Pac-Man? Okay, let's have a look. So we have Miss Pac-Man. What we are going to do here is that the girl playing here is Miss Pac-Man. In this letters of writing Miss Pac-Man, I am going to strike off A from the man, and instead I am going to write two B's, one in the front of N and the other one in the back side. So what do we get? Miss Pac MBNB. Now how these letters are going to help us learn with the neighboring countries of India? Let's have a look. M stands for Maldives, S Sri Lanka, P for Pakistan, A for Afghanistan, C for China, M for Myanmar, B for Bhutan, N for Nepal, and B for Bangladesh. So if I want to remember the neighboring countries of India, I can always remember Miss Pac-Man. And in that, I need to just remove the A and instead write two B's. This mnemonics will help me to remember the neighboring countries of India. Thus, if we are talking about the neighboring countries, we have 9 major neighboring countries of India. Starting from the northwest, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the northern part of India, we have China, Nepal, Bhutan. In the east, we have Myanmar and Bangladesh, while the south islands of the neighboring countries, we have Sri Lanka in the southeast and Maldives in the southwest. Thus, we will be able to remember all the 9 neighboring countries with the help of this small activity. Thank you, class.